झारखंड की स्टील नगरी टाटानगर से केरल के एर्नाकुलम जा रही टाटानगर एर्नाकुलम एक्सप्रेस आंध्र प्रदेश में हादसे का शिकार हो गई। टाटानगर एर्नाकुलम एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन के 2 कोच में आग लग गई। इस हादसे में ट्रेन के 2 कोच बुरी तरह से जल गए, जिससे हड़कंप मच गया, जबकि एक यात्री की मौत हो गई।
Today, in the early hours of today, at Elementary Station, the Tata Nagar Ernakulam Express was reported to have caught fire in the B1 coaches, which was subsequently spread to M2 coach, and M3 was also affected. The train was standing on the platform at Elementary Station when this incident was reported. So, with presence of mind, the TT and the coach attendants, they immediately alerted all the passengers and asked them to deboard on the platform, so to prevent any further loss of life. So, so they immediately deboarded the train, and subsequently the fire brigade was called from Elementary and from Anakapalli. They extinguished the fire, and subsequently now forensic teams from Visakhapatnam are collecting the samples for further forensic investigation into the cause of accident.
Sir, what about the rest of the passengers?
The passengers who were traveling on the remaining portion, unaffected portion of the train was recoupled along with additional coaches which were to replace these coaches, and the train was moved on for their destination.
Sir, did you identify any reason from the fire extinguisher? Someone saying that due to the brake failure, something was happened at the
So,
or else it's human error.
see, all these aspects are looked into during the inquiry, and this is a statutory inquiry as well as the forensic inquiry. So all the samples have been collected at the location where the fire seems to have originated. So forensic team are still collecting samples. So based on their report and further investigation based on the data logger and all the systems CCTV footage from various sources, an inquiry will be conducted, and we'll get to the bottom of this to ensure that this does not happen in future.